How to take high resolution screenshots in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to take high resolution screenshots in Windows 11. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, start by clicking the search bar and type settings. And here simply open the settings. And once you have opened, in the settings menu, simply go to the system. Now here under the system, you can see the option labeled as display. So just click on that. And here under the scale, click on it and make sure that the custom scaling is empty. And the gray placeholder text should show a range like 100 to 500%. So leave that box blank unless you know what you are doing. Now scroll down and click on Advanced Display, and here set your refresh rate to the maximum available. And after that you can go back to display settings and here simply click on HDR option. And here if your monitor supports it, turn HDR on for better color and contrast in your screenshots. And now you are all set to take high resolution screenshot. And that's it. That's how you can get a clean high quality screenshot in Windows 11. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.